Hello everyone, today I will show how to fix Xbox Fix This on the web problem. I found 3 different solutions for this error. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to solutions, we need to find out if the problem is from us or from Xbox. For this, click the link I gave in the video description. Here we can see the status of Xbox services. If there is no tick in the account and profile section here, it means that there is a problem with this service of Xbox. The error here is from the Xbox. All we can do is wait. However, as you can see now, there is no problem with the Xbox service. Let's move on to the first solution. Our first solution is to restart our Xbox device. For this we press the Xbox guide button. Here we click on the rightmost option, the Restart Console, and restarting our device. We are waiting for our device to restart. Now you can check if the error is resolved. If the error is not resolved, we will move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to remove our Xbox account that we got an error from, and then log in again. For this, we press the Xbox guide button once. Then we come to the rightmost part and enter the settings. From this menu, we go to the account section. Then we click on Remove Accounts. Here we choose our account. We click on Remove. And our account has been removed. Now all you have to do is log in again. We go to the main menu and click on Sign In. Here we enter our account and password. Click Next in the pop-up windows here. Here we click on Apply Settings. In the last part, you need to set it according to yourself. And we logged into our account. That was our second solution. If the second solution worked for you, don't forget to like the video. If the solution doesn't work, we move on to our third and final solution. Our third solution is to verify our Xbox data. For this, we will go to the Xbox site, and we will log into our account. After logging into our account, we switch to Microsoft account. On the opened page, click on the Security section. Then, we click on Advanced Security Options. Here it will ask to send a code to your recovery email or phone. You can also log in without asking for anything. I skipped these parts. As you can see here, there is information such as the recovery email and phone number that you have proven your identity. If you don't have them, you need to add them. Here is what you need to pay attention to. If it's already there, don't delete it completely. If you do, your account may be locked. Make sure all the information here is up to date as I am. That was our third solution. If we are getting the error because of our missing data, this solution will work. Our video is up to here. I hope this video helped you. If it helped, don't forget to like the video. Also, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video, take care.